Hello everyone, in this video we're going to go over different types of extrusions that you can make with your sketch. So to create a sketch, go over to your front plane, go ahead and right click it, then just click sketch. It should bring you straight to that view. And we start right out into our sketch tab over here, and I'm going to click the center rectangle, and I'm just going to make it coincident to our origin, meaning I'm just clicking on the origin. And under our sketch tab I can go ahead and click the smart dimension again, as you guys saw in the previous video. And I'll just make that 2, and then I'll click once more over here and make that 5. Same feature as before. Now I'm going to hit escape twice to make sure I'm out of my smart dimension. Escape kind of gets you out of everything over here. And then I'm going to go into my features tab and just hit extrude boss base. Now boss base means you are adding material, so go ahead and click that. And then over here, this little dimension, that's giving you the type of depth that you want. So I'll just go ahead and make that 2 inches. There we go, nice and simple. And now we just have a regular box. Now another type of extrusion, as you can see up here, is called Extrude Cut, and that's taking away mass. So let's see how we do that real quick. I'll just select my top surface here and then just click sketch again. Now this one doesn't go to that view automatically, so go ahead and hit space and then just normal 2. There you go, and we'll just make a circle right in the middle, roughly in the middle. There we go, and then we can just quickly add a dimension to that. This is a diameter dimension. We'll make that 1.5. There we go, and then again we can just go exit out of our smart dimension, then go to features, and then instead of extruded boss base, which is adding material, we want to create a extruded cut, which is going to remove some material. And then I can hold down the center of my mouse button and then kind of tilt the view this way. You can see that it's going all the way through because of our dimension here is 2, but we can click this arrow here, go through all, just to ensure that it is going through all the entire part, and then go ahead and check that out. Solidworks, check it out, and there we go. That's a part. So I hope this helped you guys out a lot. If you guys want to see the part we made, you can check the video here. If you guys want to see how to add fillets to this part, go ahead and click the video over here. Great. Hope this helped you guys out. Have a great one. Bye now.